exciting than I wanted. Picasso, Mooch, and Scooter here today at the Great Michigan Bush Company. These two just got done.
Hey, what's going on, y'all?
We gotta bust your balls if you're gonna
Thinking about going up and doing some touch and goes here today in some little windy conditions, a little gusty. How was it up there today?
Wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I was doing steep spirals. When I'm coming around, circling to go straight, we got, what, 40 knot ground speed?
Yeah, we were getting put.
And that wasn't working out today. Everything else was good.
Alright, so there's nowhere to go today. I just wanted to go flying. So the plan is to go up and do some landing practice. It's nice to stay current. Just get used to these new tires I have on the airplane. I've noticed the last couple of times with the 8.5s, it lands at a different deck angle than it did with the 7s. I'm not pitching up enough. The tail is off the ground sometimes. I'd like to tighten all that up. Add on top of it the conditions today. It should make for a fun time of flying. We'll see how it works out.
Where from?
Oakland Troy Airport. Automated weather observation. 1-9-5-6 Zulu weather. Wind 120 at 11 gust 17 visibility 10.
Alright, so while this isn't bush flying, and we are the Great Michigan Bush Company, and we like to fly backcountry, getting out and practicing to remain current is important. And this is just part of what I'd like to do to remain current and on the top of my game as a pilot, is go up in some gusty conditions and practice. A little more exciting than I wanted. There's something nice about flying an antique aircraft that's been in the air for 70 years that I find enjoyable.
Troy traffic, Skyhawk 74 Hotel, turning down with 9er Troy.
I don't find myself to be the owner, but just the current keeper. I don't know if that was better or not. The footage will tell us. Flying the big tail Stinson can be a lot of fun. Can also be a handful once in a while. Today was a mixture of both. Not much of a handful, and well, a lot of fun. Well, that's it. I don't know if I did 4 or 5 landings. Little gusty conditions, not too bad. Winds gusting anywhere between 15 and 17 knots. 20 or 30 degrees off the right. So enough to get some crosswind proficiency. Scared myself the first time. Went back up and made it right. That's what we do as pilots. And enjoyed myself. It was a good way to spend a Saturday afternoon. flight care.